Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is a highly requested one and it is my bleached hair care routine. I've gotten so many questions about how I've been maintaining my hair since I bleached it, and I'm finally here to film this video. I know it's taken me a little while to do it, but that's only because I wanted to make sure that I really loved the products that I was using. I do want to provide some background on my hair and talk about my lifestyle a little bit because I think that really contributes to the way that my hair is. So if you're new to my channel or haven't seen my other hair videos or any of my videos in the past, I have naturally very straight black hair. I bleached it about 3 months ago to this color, and since then I've gotten a root touch-up once, which did involve bleach also. When I first bleached it, my hair was about 90 to 95% virgin hair, and I think that's really important to note because my hair was a lot stronger. That really helps to, I think, maintain the integrity and the strength of my hair. And then in terms of my lifestyle, I used to wash my hair about 2 times a week before. Now, because my hair is so dry, I feel like the oils just don't pass or move as easily on my scalp. So sometimes I'm actually even able to get away with washing it once a week, which I know sounds quite awful, and sometimes it is. The less I wash it, the more I can maintain this color, and it's just overall better and healthier for my hair. But I will be honest, hair and the science behind hair and the products, it's like foreign territory to me. I know like gists of things, but I don't know it the way that I have researched into skincare and the products and the names and all that stuff. So that is my little disclaimer. I'm not an expert. So I wash my hair about once a week, and then I curl it like once a week. So I'll wash it, I will leave it straight for a day or two, and then if I need to go somewhere or I need to do my hair, that's when I'll curl it. And usually with the way that I curl my hair, it ends up lasting the whole week. Like the first day I curl my hair, it'll be really intense curls, and then as the week goes on, it just gets softer and looser and more tousled, which is a look that I really like, so I don't mind it. If you guys are interested in how I curl my hair and how I do this look, I do have a hair curling routine up on my channel too. It was back when I had black hair, but I still curl it the same way. I've been curling it the same way for years. So yeah, check that out if you want to. I'll link it down below and in the info card. With that said, let's move on to the actual products. When I first bleached my hair and I came home and had to wash my hair on my own, I only used purple shampoo. And the purple shampoo I like is the one from Fanola. This is their no yellow shampoo. It comes highly recommended from a lot of stylists and a lot of people I know. This stuff is amazing. It's really good at keeping your hair from getting brassy. Since then though, I've really cut back on using the purple shampoo because at a certain point, it actually just dyed my hair purple. Not all of it, just certain strands, especially in the front. And it just didn't look good because I probably didn't coat it evenly and I didn't want it to look purple. I do feel like it is a bit drying. I know some people actually mix their shampoos, but I don't do that. The longer you leave this in your hair, the more the hair is going to absorb the pigment. So now if I use this, I know I just need to like rinse it off really quickly and just make sure I coat it evenly so it doesn't dye my hair in weird ways. So this is the shampoo that I use the most often. This is the Fanola Fiber Fix Fiber Shampoo. You're gonna see that a lot of the products I use are actually from Fanola. This is like the perfect amount of sud for me. I feel like it really gets in there and cleans out all of the dandruff and the dirt, oil, dust, I don't know, everything. And I actually concentrate a lot of this on the scalp and not so much the strands. So this is ideal for colored and bleached hair as both a post-color treatment and bleach. It helps to lock in and stabilize color. Next, I consider this my conditioner. It's technically not a conditioner, I guess, but this is the Fanola Fiber Fix Bond Connector. I just take a little dollop of this. I'll apply it mostly to the strands and then let it sit for as long as I can because I think the longer it sits in my hair, the better it is. While it's sitting in my hair, I'll move on to the rest of my shower. Like I'll do my body wash, I'll do my skincare, like I'll wash my face, and then I'll just rinse it out. I remember someone telling me that these two products are supposed to help with kind of rebuilding the broken strands of your hair. Don't quote me on that because I'm not sure, but I remember someone saying that to me. This is honestly amazing, like, because it really does soften up your hair so much. Like when I come out of the shower, it's just super smooth, no tangles. I don't know how it works, but it's amazing. Like my hair feels so freaking soft. Like I love this. Out of everything that I'm gonna show you guys today, this is my favorite because it really does change how my hair feels, and I love it so much. It's pricey, but I think it's well worth it because my hair just feels really great after. So after I'm done with the shower, I want to talk about the things that I put in afterwards. So I will towel dry my hair, just get as much of the water and moisture out as I can. And I have noticed that since I bleached it, after getting out of the shower, my hair feels heavier in the sense that I feel like it's absorbed a lot of water and it's holding on to that and retaining a lot of that moisture. And from what I've learned, when you bleach your hair, you're actually removing all of the pigment, all of the color pigment from your hair until it's completely clear, and then, or not clear, but like, pretty white, I would say, pretty light. And then you throw on your toner, your hair dye, and then the hair will absorb all of it back up because it doesn't have anything left to hold it together, I guess. So I do feel like my hair just holds a lot more water than it used to. So man, blow drying has become even more of a chore than it was before because it just takes so much longer to blow dry my hair, even though it's shorter and there's not a lot of it. Going back to the products, I always love using a leave-in conditioner or like a heat protectant in my hair. And the one I've been using is this one from Ouai. This is their leave-in conditioner, and it's a spray. So I just spray it all over. I'll comb through my hair. Usually I'm not very picky with my leave-in conditioners, but I've heard great things about Ouai as a brand. So I've been really loving this, and it also smells amazing. It smells so good. After that, I do use another leave-in product. This is their Nutricare Restructuring Fluid Crystals, and this kind of acts like an oil. Let me read you what the back of this says. Rich in aloe vera and linseed oil, leaves hair shiny and combable. It repairs split ends. Ideal for curly, frizzy, and permed hair. You can also apply this to your hair when it's dry. Sometimes I do that if I feel like it really needs it. And I'll apply this mostly to the ends because it repairs split ends. And I also put it around my hairline a little bit, not too much, because I've noticed that the bleach burned off my hair. It's just the way that it is. So you can see like here, my widow's peak hair, like some of it got burned off, and it's mostly just because my hair there, the baby hairs around my face are so thin. That's just like almost inevitable, I feel. Next time I go bleach my hair, I'm gonna see if there's something we can do to avoid that. But if it's not avoidable, like, it's fine. The price you pay if you want hair like this. So I'm fully aware of the consequences. So anyway, I will use this on like around my hairline to help kind of rebuild the hairs that have broken off there. So after I shower and I do all the leave-in stuff, that's when I will blow dry. If I let it air dry, it would take hours. I usually shower at night. You're not supposed to sleep with your hair wet. It can lead to breakage, like a lot more breakage of your hair. So I try to dry it as much as I can. But yeah, that's it. Those are all the products that I use in my hair care routine to help maintain the integrity of my hair. It's pretty straightforward. I don't really use a lot. I'm always testing like a lot of different things to see what I like more, but so far these have been the ones that I kind of just default to. So far it seems to be working and helping, and honestly I do think it's even a lot healthier than I expected. I expected it to be a lot worse, so I am really happy that it's at its as healthy as it can be. But I think a lot of why that is because it was mostly virgin hair. So if you can, try to bleach it when you have really strong, good virgin hair. We've now reached the end of the video. I hope I answered a lot of the questions that you guys had. If you have any more questions about the products I use or bleaching hair experience, I will of course link all of my hair videos down below, or my hair playlist. But feel free to leave your comments down in the questions too, and I'll do my best to answer them. Thank you so much guys for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye! I don't know why I did that.